Making your first dollar online may not look attainable because you don't have the right mindset in order to go about this. So in this video, I'm going to be showing us how you can make your first dollar online. No bluff, very very serious. So this is not just a clickbait. This is the real thing. I'm going to show us how we can make our first dollar online. So and one thing that really stops us from making our first dollar online is the mindset we put in place where we are coming online. This mindset of we just want to do a little work and make one chunk of money. So it don't work like that. The online world is like the normal day-to-day activities, normal day-to-day life that the life process. So that is why in the normal day-to-day life process you are supposed to put in the work. So that's how the online world is. The online world the online world wants you to put in the effort, the time before you can reap it. So that is why the right mindset is what you need to put in place in order to make your first dollar online. And not just the right mindset, again, the process in which you are going through this. So a lot of persons, a lot of beginners come online and they don't know where to start from. These beginners just come pop out from nowhere and come online and say they want to start making money online. They don't know where to start from. They don't know the first thing to do. So they just meet random people online who give them garbage in, garbage out. At the end of the day, they end up not making a dime, and they tend to start saying making money online is a scam. Making money online is not a scam. It's something that has been done and proven by a lot of people. Even I myself have done this and it's really working for me. So my name is remains Sylvester Israel, and today I'm going to be showing us how we can make our first dollar online. If you know you're just joining us for the first time, kindly click on the notification button, or kindly click on the subscribe button. Also click on the notification button so you get notified anytime I release a new video. So with that being said, kindly follow me to my laptop where I'll be showing you the process in order to make our first dollar online. Starting online might look very tedious to you, and that is why today I'm showing us the process to start online. My first recommended instance, in like the first recommended way I would recommend to my audience in order to start making online money online is freelancing. So with this freelancing, a lot of persons see it as a big task. If you know the right way to go, the right places to look out for these jobs or these clients, you'll be able to know that freelancing is the best and nice way to start when it comes to making money, when it comes to making your first dollar online. Also, with that being said, I'm going to be looking at, okay, freelancing. Yeah, I talked about freelancing. When freelancing, there are two ways in freelancing. Number one, there are ways in which you can get your own there are ways in which you can get your own, what do I call it, your own skills. You get the skills. With these skills that you have, you'll be able to you'll be able to use these skills and offer your services online and get paid. Why secondly is you not having any skills at all, because when you don't have any skills at all, you won't be the one doing the job. So what you do, you get this job and give it to other persons, and these other persons do it for you, and you pay them. So how that work is, that was we call drop servicing under freelancing. So under freelancing most times you have this scenario whereby you can be able to make good chunk of money without having to know any skills. So all what you do, you look for a way to get these jobs as an higher rate as a freelancer, and you give this job out to people to do for you at a lower rate, depend on where you are, depend on the country you are from. So that is how this freelancing work. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be looking at, I'm going to tell you, okay, fine, where can we get this client from? So there are different places whereby you can get this client from. You can get this client from Fiverr, you can get this client from Upwork, you can get this client from people per hour, you can get client from freelancer, and there are a lot of them out there where you can get this client from. So that is a very good one, and you should not look away from what I'm teaching right now, because it's something that is going to actually make you good sum of money. So if you really put it into practice. So I'm going to go and show us how. I'll have to go to my payment. Let me go to my payments. So let me go to one account I have. So I'm trying to show this thing so you know this thing work. This account is just done around 40 days. Has been able to get this amount of. So I'm opening this account now. This account has been able to give me let's say how much has been able to give me. So let's wait. Okay. So I'm trying to open the account where I have this okay. So this particular account here. This particular account and this is fiverr.com. So you guys won't be like, okay, fine, you actually what you really make money from. So I'm opening fiverr.com right now. So yeah, I'm going to be showing us my earnings, and this, yes, I'm showing us my earnings, and with this I'm going to, okay, so I have a delivery to be delivered in 3 days 20 hours. So I have $8 my balance so far. So let's go to our earnings. So on that earnings now, I'm doing this to show most places won't do this because okay, see earnings now. So you are seeing in the earnings showing that net income is $160, showing that the total withdrawn $32. This is a new account I've done some days. So you can see penny clearance. I have $120 penny clearance, and I have available to withdraw $80 and $8, and I have $80. I have $80 expected earnings for a particular order. You can see this is just an account that I've done 30 days, so you can see other orders I've done. See, so far this account is going to around $250. So all these ones are actually cancelled orders. Cancelled. This was cancelled. Yes, this was cancelled and refunded. So this two was cancelled and refunded. This was a withdrawal I initiated to withdraw my money, so you can see. So to show you how these things work, so that is why I'm actually opening this to show you. This is one of my accounts. I have other accounts that I'm working with. So that means that let's go back to our document. So that is just it. So with Fiverr, with Upwork, with people that are output, I prefer Fiverr a lot. And if you want to actually learn how to go about freelancing, you want to actually know how to start making money online as a freelancer, you can hit me via WhatsApp. I have a WhatsApp contact where I can I have a mentorship program I run for $100 minimum. So okay, you can hit me up once you know you have up to $100. You can hit me up via WhatsApp. I'm going to be open to you. My WhatsApp number will be in the description of this video. So just message me on WhatsApp if you want to join if you want to join my mentorship program. With that, I'm going to add you to a WhatsApp group where I'm going to have you one-on-one for my mentorship, and which stays for 1 month, pay $100. For that 1 month, you have access to me throughout that 1 month for $100. So with that being said, so okay, apart from freelancing, the question has been asked, what else can I do apart from freelancing in order to make money online? So this is something I'm going to dive into very well, because I know a lot of persons ask this question, and a lot of persons will want to know that, okay, how do I make money? A lot of persons want to know how they can make money from other means. Okay, on that means I can talk about is content writing, but why I don't talk about content, I mean content creation, I mean online content creation, just like what I'm doing on YouTube. We are creating content for my audience. In return, I'm able to talk to them about what I do, and a lot of persons can actually come to me and learn from me. So that's just it. Second is content creation. So content creation varies. It depends on people creating content on TikTok, creating content on Facebook, creating content on YouTube, creating content, having a blog. These are different ways of creating content, and most times once you start making money as a freelancer, the next thing is for you to start going to content creating, because with that it's going to help you a lot. And content creation varies from blogging and the rest, so there are much more you can do, but I try to focus on this first. When you start freelancing and you start getting little cash from freelancing, dive into content creation before you able go start working on a blog. So if you want my course on how to create a blog, how to monetize your blog, how you go about ranking your blog, let me know. I'm going to those things those are what are part of my mentorship program. I have everything down and laid down for us. So So basically, we'll tell you, okay, fine, I don't have any skill. So I have a website training. I do also WordPress website training, and also with that WordPress website training, you can learn that and start listing that as a services on Fiverr. And also, you can show you the tricks on how to work with article writing also. So these are where you are supposed to put your mind as a beginner. Put your mind focused on freelancing. That is where you start making your first money before you start diving into other aspects of making money online. In that video, and if you do really love what I taught and you actually learned a lot from what I taught, kindly give this video a thumbs up so that the YouTube algorithm can get to show this video to a lot of persons, so a lot of persons will get to learn the same thing you are learning. And also, before you leave, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, also click on the notification button so you get notified anytime I release a new video. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video.